We better hurry up. Anyway, for us, we've got another day and a half of warm weather, relatively, considering it's December, before winter looks like it's coming back. 63 degrees as you head out the door. We do have just a few high clouds, or rather mid-level clouds in our area. The temperature yesterday got up to 74. Today will be right there again today. And as I mentioned, in the county, we're okay, but down south, the fog is beginning to develop. In Falfurrias and Kingsville, they're down to less than a mile visibility, but in the city, we're at 10 miles and we're doing okay, even going on up into San Patricio County. A little bit of fog up there in Orange Grove, so it might be affecting the Mathis area. Those of you that are driving up 37, you may hit some spots. And the other thing is that we may drop another degree or so we may get a little bit more widespread fog, but it is sort of developing right now. Well, we look across the western states because as we've been talking, here's the next big storm that's going to affect us. It is already rolling into Arizona. You can see it right about there with snow and rain and flooding and landslides and all kinds of problems. This thing is a pretty strong storm. But it's not as cold as anything that would come from the north, but it is going to be affecting our weather very soon. So for today, we see the clouds sort of coming in and out of our area. We're going to call it partly to mostly cloudy. And we've got a front in North Texas, but that's not going to make it. This storm is going to basically push under that and roll across the entire state. So while temperatures have been incredibly mild throughout the Midwest, they finally have cooled down. Even Chicago is down to 35, to being 60 degrees for a couple of days there for Christmas. So here is the timeline on Future Tracker, and you can see how we're picking up clouds. We're picking up a little mist, okay, a little light rain drizzle. Then we look to the north because there is the storm. Now, on Saturday morning, it'll be out in West Texas. It'll arrive here probably after midnight, and you probably will feel the wind blowing on Sunday morning. So you may miss the chill down on Saturday night late, but it will have a line of showers with it. So Saturday night may be a little misty before that whole thing blows through. By sunrise on Sunday, we're definitely going to be in that north wind, and then we're going to be looking at, shall we say, cooler weather, and it'll be staying for quite some time. Now, here's very interesting development. We start off on your Friday. Big low comes out of the west. That gives us the frontal system right there on Sunday. And then Sunday, Monday looking okay, but all of a sudden this huge, very fast-moving low is starting to roll across the southwest, and it comes up from the southwest, so we've got this tons of moisture coming in. Question is, will it be for New Year's Day? Well, here's what the forecast looks like. Generally sunny today with a few clouds here and there, but mild, 75. 76 tomorrow, that's your Saturday. Late after midnight, the front should come through here. Looks like showers will be accompanying it, but by Sunday noontime, much of that will be gone, so it'll be cooler and clearing. Little damp on Monday, but the big rain should be arriving here on Tuesday of next week. And of course, hopefully that won't interfere with New Year's Eve. That's your 7-day forecast brought to you by NEC Co-op Energy. We'll toss it back to Sonia.